How is everyone? Today we're at the Minden Laundry and Car Wash in Minden. And that has a really rare Ryko UltraClean you can see here. And it's actually in service. This is one of the oldest washes I ever been to. And here's the wash options. We only have one wash option, and that being for Super Wash for $7. And of course we're going to be going through that. Like, honestly, I cannot believe this wash is working. And there's the old Ryko pay machine. Deposit coins. Anyways, I have to go get change, and we will go through this wash, and hopefully it does a great job. Wow. Cannot believe this wash is actually working. This is going to be my first ever Ryko UltraClean system. Anyways, I will be back in a minute. Alrighty, I'm back. I got the change. And this is not going to be a full review. This wash doesn't have dryers and stuff, and you have to back it out at the end. This is going to be cool. So I got seven loonies since the wash is $7. So here we go. And the machine is telling me to go ahead. So let's go on in before... Wow, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this wash actually works. Wow. Alright, windows up. Here we go.
Okay.
Cannot believe this is working.
It's open 24/7.
Yeah, anyways, I'm coming here, so here we go.
So it actually works.
Alright, let's see how well it did. Wow. Looks like it cleans this car really well. It's soaking wet though because there are no dryers in this place. Clean the windshield well. Wow. And even clean this tire too. For $7 for 2 passes of soft touch wash, it did really well. Look at that, even the brush even dropped some material on the tire. Wow, I guess I'm keeping that well. Wow. It seems soft, LOL. It's like foam mat or something like that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I cannot believe this wash did a great job. Other than no dryers because this wash is really old, it did really well. I cannot believe it. It got all the dirt off. The car was pretty dirty before we entered it in. But honestly, for a really old school system, it did an awesome job. Even got some of the box of the bumper. 2 passes of soft touch wash. Like, wow. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this wash is honestly working. I never seen anything like that before. Wow. I might as well show you the manual base. The vacuums work $2 for 8 minutes. Wow. So they have vacuums here. Looks like this manual bay is meant for big vehicles. And the small one is for regular cars. Wow. I want to see this again. Wow, what a really cool system. I cannot believe it works. Even we appreciate your business sign works on the side. Like, wow. Normally these Ryko systems will usually be abandoned or be replaced. But this one surprisingly works, and it works really well too. Like, wow. Wow, I cannot believe it. Well, well, that's gonna be it for this car wash video. I really hope everyone enjoyed it. Like, honestly, it's not every day that you see a working UltraClean. Like, wow. Anyways, if you enjoyed it, then make sure you give it a really big thumbs up and subscribe more if you just haven't have it already. That will really help me a lot. And by the way, if I wouldn't rate this wash, if I wouldn't done a full review on it, I will give it a 5 out of 5 for the wash quality, for dry wouldn't matter, for pricing a 5 out of 5, and for coverage a 5 out of 5, since it actually had working pre-soak. So overall, I'll rate this wash a 15 out of 15, instead of 15 out of 20 since there's no dryers at this wash. Like, wow, definitely a perfect score, if I wouldn't rate it overall. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next car wash review when I have a chance to do one. Peace out, folks, and remember to like and subscribe for more, and that will be it for me. Bye now, and I will see you guys in the next car wash review. Hope you enjoyed this vintage Ryko system today.